What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. So it's Saturday, man. Not gonna lie, 7 in the morning. It's cold outside, man. It's on the 60s. I don't know why I gotta be this cold this morning, man. So anyways, man, we got the 56 out. We're about to clean it real quick. I'm gonna go check out the still rolling shows with my boys from Certified. First time taking the car out, man. So I haven't, like I told you before, since I bought this car, man, I haven't even washed this car. I haven't done anything. She went straight to the garage. So before the show, man, we gotta detail her, man. I was working last night, couldn't clean her yesterday, so had to wake up early this morning. So let us get it going, man, and hopefully we'll get some good footage today at the show. Let's go.